I was nuts. The phrase I was nuts can be understood in different ways depending on the context. Here's a breakdown of its possible meanings and how to use it. Informal colloquial use. I was nuts is an informal way of saying I was crazy or I was behaving irrationally. It conveys that you were acting in a way that was not typical or that you recognize as unusual or irrational. Past behavior use. It suggests that your behavior or state of mind in the past was irrational, extreme, or eccentric. Examples. Reflecting on past behavior example. I was nuts back in college. I did so many crazy things. Here it implies that your behavior during college was reckless or irrational. Self-awareness example. Looking back, I see that I was nuts to think I could handle everything on my own. This indicates a recognition that your past behavior or decisions were not well thought out. Formal alternatives. For a more formal or precise way to express the same idea, you might use, I was acting irrationally. I was behaving erratically. I was not thinking clearly. Somarin, I was nuts is an informal way to describe past behavior that was irrational or eccentric. It's a colloquial expression that can be used to reflect on one's past actions or state of mind.